Okay, this is like my 10th take for this video because I keep messing up. But here it is. This is the Mystery Art Project. It's a magical mystery that comes to your door each month as a kit or as a digital download, however you want it. The beautiful thing about the Mystery Art Project is that it's 12 brand new kits, never seen before, and they come as a mystery to you each month with a lesson. I hook the rug from start to finish in video, and you can watch it each month. It's an amazing value because sometimes you get a kit like this, which would normally be about $125, or a kit like this, which would normally be around 90 bucks. And sometimes it's a kit like this, which is normally $49.95. But all the kits are $49.95, and that is the magic of the Mystery Art Project. They're all $49.95. They all include everything you need to hook the rug, including a lesson that is start to finish. Rug hookers have told me that they've learned so much from this project. It's made them more comfortable, stronger rug hookers, and they've learned everything from hooking sea to sky to people to landscape to flowers. It just goes on. And I have 12 very special rugs made for this year. And I've sort of put a little seasonal touch into this year, which I'm really proud of. And there's one that I'm crazy about. And there's 11 more that I think are beautiful, because I would never put anything in this project that I didn't think was really great, because it's the Mystery Art Project, and it's a special project from Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio. It's $49.95 a month. It's a great value, and I think the beautiful thing about it is like doing something for yourself each month. You get this beautiful package in the mail that's a complete surprise, that has everything you need to finish the rug, and you can sit down, cozy up with a cup of tea, watch your favorite show, and hook that rug in an evening. The Mystery Art Project 2026 salon style, all different shapes and sizes, all only $49.95 a month. We're only taking registrations until Sunday night. So get on there at hookingrugs.com and get signed up. See you later.